Hello kids, welcome to another exciting learning adventure. Today we are going to explore prepositions, those little words that help us understand where things are, when things happen and even where they are going. So get ready to learn with fun examples and activities. The dog is beside the ball. The dog is in the dog house. The dog is in front of the dog house. The dog is behind the dog house. The dog is between the dog house and the tree. The dog is on the dog house. The dog is under the tree. The butterfly is above the dog. So kids, here are some examples of prepositions. Thank you kids for watching the video. Please subscribe and share our channel for learning more videos.